Murimu wa kansa utuikite murigo muritu kuri makiri ma akenya undu uria ucungiriirie ukia munene kumana na garama ya iguru ya kurigita murimu uyu. Niguo gukurana na kuhota kurigita murimu uyu ihinda-ini riria riagiriire, arigitani a kansa nimoritie thirikari kuhingura ceceni cia kansa thibitari-ini iria nene guku bururi-ini.
It is not enough to just put up cancer treatment centers, but it has to be a cancer program which begins from, as I said, promotion, prevention, screening and treatment.
Oho makiendekithia kuongererwo kwa ataramu aria mathomeire kurigita murimu uyu kuona ihinda riri kuri no nyihu. Ona kuhanoro uguo muingi ni urabatara mathomo niguo kumenya bata wa kwiyumiria guthimwo kana mundu ari na murimu uyu tene ota uria kwahoteka.
We have Kenya national cancer guidelines which were launched in 2013 and recently updated, that would be used by healthcare providers from the dispensary level 1 hospitals all the way to tertiary level 6 hospitals. And if this is implemented and a lot of education is done on the ground, I'm certain that our outcomes will improve.
Thirikari ni hinyireirio kuhurana na dawa itakinyanirie ikiro iria kaingi irahuthika kurigita arwaru a murimu wa kansa guku bururi-ini, na oho kuongerera garama ya kurigita murimu uyu hari motungata ma NHIF.
We are besieging and urging that we make sure that the agents that we use to treat our patients are up to standard quality-wise, so that when we discuss with our patients, we are able to assure them that with all factors held constant, getting this treatment, you're likely to be cured.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.